Can you identify the side of this triangle? Most people get it wrong. This video will show you how you can identify the sides of a right angle triangle. So welcome to the Pacific Echo. Now I want you to look at this triangle with respect to this given angle here. Now in a right angle triangle, the side opposite the right angle is called the hypotenuse. So this is the right angle, and the side that is opposite the right angle, which is this side here, is the hypotenuse. And hypotenuse is the longest side of a given right angle triangle. Therefore we can say the longest side of a right angle is the hypotenuse. Alright, so we can say AC is the hypotenuse. Now with respect to this given angle here, AB is the side which is opposite the angle, and so it is called the opposite side. And CB is the side which is adjacent to the angle, and it is called the adjacent side. So CB is the adjacent side. Alright, now let's look at this given example here. Can you identify the hypotenuse, the adjacent side, and the opposite side of this given triangle with respect to this given angle here? Quickly let me know in the comment section. I'll give you 30 seconds. Alright, time's up. So with respect to this given angle here, the side XZ is the opposite side. It is 9 centimeters long. I repeat, XZ is the opposite side, and it's 9 centimeters long. And YZ, with respect to this given angle here, YZ is the adjacent side, and it's 12 centimeters long. And XY is the hypotenuse, and it is opposite the right angle of this given right angle triangle here. So XY is the hypotenuse.